Hello, Kathryn Emery here, home improvement lifestyle expert. Guess what? I'm the official National Hardware Show correspondent. I am so stoked. I get to walk around these show floors and show you the coolest, latest innovation in home products. In my head, the National Hardware Show is the original Shark Tank because for 75 years, they've been bringing in inventors and small businesses, connecting them with the big boxes and really getting all those products that you know and love on the shelves in your house today. And there is more to come. So let's go check the coolest things out. So I'm so excited to be here with Trent, with Ukiah. He's the CEO, he's the inventor, he's the founder. In fact, it was kind of hard to find their booth because don't you just feel like we're in his backyard right now? So Trent, tell me about your inspiration for creating this cool space and inventing your amazing products.
Oh, well, so we identified there was a hole in the market where audio and fire are two things that go together for, for as long as time probably exists. And so we decided we'd create an entire brand based on audio and fire. So we created technology that shoots fire to music, and that's kind of our staple feature. But then we focused on high quality fire pits, unique approach to this entire market. Most people are sitting around a fire listening to music, and so we wanted to create a brand and products that encompass all of that.
It's so amazing because it's so simple, because you're chilling outside,
yeah.
You want a fire pit going,
yep.
You're listening to the tunes, put them together, and I love it because the flames actually dance to the music.
Yep.
I love it.
Yeah.
So where can we find Ukiah? Where can we find your products?
Everywhere.
I love it.
Yeah,
they should be.
Yeah,
They're
we sell
amazing.
everywhere. Yeah, Costco, Home Depot, Walmart, Target, you name it. We sell everywhere. We did Europe. We just opened up Europe this year. So
congratulations.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Does that mean you need an Italian press person to come with you? I'm available.
I think we do. Yeah, I think we do.
Ciao, buongiorno. I mean, we're going.
All right.
Andiamo.
You're hired.
But congratulations. I am so excited for you because this product is next level.
Well, thank you
It's
very much.
amazing.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So good luck with everything.
Well, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
The Naughty Rub Girls. You can see I've clearly found my posse at the National Hardware Show. Oh, and by the way, the product's freaking amazing and family owned. So I'm here with Lisa. Lisa, give me just a quick overview that you told me about Naughty Rub.
Yeah, so we are a small family-owned business. We're located in Woodland, California. What's unique about us is that we have full chain of custody. We're the only pellet on the market that actually has the full chain of custody, which means we harvest the trees, we run them through the rotor topper, we bring them back to the mill, we bag them, and then we ship them. And another unique part of us is that we use the whole tree, the bark included, which we're the only pellet that does that on the market.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. So you know when you pick up a bag of Naughty Wood and you throw it in your pellet, you know that those pellets have been taken care of from the birth to where they are today, right?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Because like we said, ladies, with Naughty Rub pellets, we wanna pour some pellets on me. On my shirt.
Don't overdo it.
Actually, it is really good.
Yeah, it is.
I need another one, actually. Are the cameras off now? Because I'm going to eat this tray.
That's right.
Mm-hmm. Is this on brand?
Marketing 101.
Okay,
right?
so I'm here with Go Fire. Okay, so they make portable fires that are food safe. So show me the fire starter again.
Yeah, so
here's a little fire starter here, right? So how long will this
So you
last?
just light the corner of that. That'll burn for 8 to 10 minutes. Burns at 800 degrees.
Amazing.
So it'll get you charcoal, fire pit, campfire, any indoor or outdoor fire started. No smell, no smoke. 30-year shelf life. Pack it right next to your clothes.
That's amazing. And then this is like the portable bonfire to go.
Yep.
So I want them to say at Go Fire, I'm feeling hot, hot, hot. But they wouldn't do it. But maybe if I give them like 5 more of these, they'll do it. So check back for the next video.
Trademark, why don't we say,
okay,
we'll get your pit
Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get your pit lit! those of you that don't know what a pellet grill is, Google Traeger right now, because they are the innovators in this space, the inventors of the pellet grill. So Luke, let's talk about, I love like Traeger Nation, right? Like, let's talk about how you create such a lifestyle around your brand, because it really is so much more than just a pellet grill. I feel like you guys almost have like a following, you know, it's just a lifestyle.
When we got involved with this brand 7 years ago, we looked at like, you know, what could we learn and take from our past? A lot of us came from action sports brands and lifestyle brands, and a true lifestyle brand is something that someone will wear on their hat. When we see the Traeger hat on somebody's head, we know that they love our brand. And I think Traeger cultivates that our community by engaging them not only before they buy a grill, but after they buy the grill. A lot of other brands kind of give up and move on to the next consumer. We engage our customers throughout the whole life cycle.
I love it.
We work with tons of chefs, barbecue. I mean, everything from like 5-star Michelin restaurants like that use Traeger grills, all the way to the backyard barbecue pit masters and everything in between. And people just love the Traeger. We have on our app and on our website, we have 1,600 different recipes and
Oh,
YouTube
that's
channels.
amazing. And you also make your own pellets, because a lot of companies don't make their own pellets. So what, you've got hickory, you've got apple, you've got, help me out, you've got
a whole
like,
bunch of, standard flavors all the way from pecan and mesquite, hickory. My favorites are apple and hickory. I mix those two. And then we have a lot of blends, like a signature blend, and we have a new Matt Pittman Meat Church blend that's out there now that guys are using on big cuts of meat like briskets and steaks and things like that.
Sure.
But a true food grade pellet is going to be made just from hardwood, and the only thing that holds it together is the lignins in the wood, or the sap, the moisture, and it's pressurized through there, so it creates perfect conditions each and every time you're cooking.
I love it. And apple and pecan. And I want to be on like the committee on the next one. Because they're so cool.
Right.
Well, thank you so much for your time. You know, I got to run because you've got like 5 things over there that I have to eat before I run around the show. So thank you for lunch.
Let's go eat some Traeger.
Thank you so much.
All right, guys. Thanks.
Whites. Aren't they freaking gorgeous? I had to come over. So this is the Wanderer. This is a 5-in-1 chair. So it goes from a cart to a cot to a lounger to a low beach chair and a high beach chair. So, or a high, would you call it camping chair?
Camping chair.
Camping chair. So I mean, it's amazing. Look at how easy. Now, did you order the margaritas like I requested, ladies? Is this a fan? Oh, I thought she was going to start fanning me. No, but you guys see, it's just, number one, these 2 ladies invented this.
Don't mind me.
They sold everything. They live in an RV because they are going to take this product. When you see this product in Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, and they're rich, we'll invite you to the party. That's how good this product is. But check it out, the Wanderer, the 5-in-1. So it does everything. It does everything. It really does. Okay, you guys, I'm here. I'm in IMC Outdoor Living. They do recycled rubber landscape. They're focused on landscape. They use over 200 million tires, and they use everything. The rubber, the steel, all the parts, and they make great things. We've got mulch here, we've got edging, we've got beautiful pavers here. The thing I love it is they've got a stone look, but you get rubber benefits, meaning they're gonna last a really long time. They're gonna withstand, they're not gonna crack, they're gonna keep their color. So I have wood mulch out in my yard, and the thing is, weeds go through it, bugs are attracted to it, it loses its color. Sometimes I can't even find it. So isn't this amazing? And I just love the fact that they use the recycled rubber. So IMC Outdoor Living, you've got to check it out. Okay, and then I just found this. So you put this in your garage. So remember the old school tennis ball that your grandma used to hang to tell you where to stop to park? So this is a really cool item, again, made from 100% recycled rubber that you can put in your garage. Because I don't know about you, but I might have closed the garage door on my husband's car a couple times. I fixed it, he didn't know, but maybe now he knows, whoops. But anyway, I'm gonna put a couple of these in there and then that won't happen. So check them out, IMC Outdoor Living. I love the fact that they're products that are good, that are built to last, but they have that sustainability feature. So you can feel good about using them and you know they're gonna work. And you're not gonna have to redo your husband's bumper. All right, you guys, so as you saw, we saw some amazing products. We didn't even get to cover it all. I covered some stuff on my morning news show, so be sure to tune in, click around me. But the National Hardware Show was just an amazing show. It brought great inventors. We saw new things. We saw really excited people. We heard there were some big retailers out here. There were some deals made. We were judging food contests. We had some great panels, Home Depot, and some great content creators. So I am so excited to see what next year has in store.
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.